Struggling to keep your food fresh for longer? Meet the HETARMI Enterprise Vacuum Sealer Machine, your ultimate solution for preserving fruits, meat and more with ease. Why you need a vacuum sealer? Did you know vacuum sealing can extend the shelf life of your food by up to 5 times? Say goodbye to wasted groceries and hello to fresher meals with this amazing gadget. Features that set the HETARMI Vacuum Sealer apart. Automatic operation. Just place your food bag, select the mode and let the machine do the rest. Dual sealing modes. Choose between dry mode for snacks and dry items or moist mode for sealing marinated meats and fruits. LED indicators. Easy to read LED lights guide you through the sealing process for a seamless experience. Multicolor design. Adds a touch of style to your kitchen while providing unmatched functionality. Compact and durable, perfect for modern kitchens with a sleek design and robust performance. Perfectly sealed bags that lock in flavor and freshness, ready for storage in the fridge or freezer. Benefits of using a vacuum sealer. Reduces food waste, saves money by extending the life of perishable items, makes meal prep and storage easier than ever. Why choose HETARMI? With its advanced features, user-friendly design and affordable price, the HETARMI Vacuum Sealer Machine is a must-have for every kitchen. Transform the way you store and preserve food with the HETARMI Vacuum Sealer Machine. It's a game changer for busy households and anyone who loves fresh, delicious meals. What will you vacuum seal first? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews. Keep your food fresh and your kitchen smarter with HETARMI.